Hello everyone, this is Lax from North Phoenix. What you see here is a solid and sturdy workbench. For some of my DIY projects that are heavy, I wanted to build a solid workbench. Couple of things you'll notice in this bench. Number one, the legs. Those are built out of 4 by 6. Then number two, the top portion of the bench that is made out of 2 by 4 studs. I have to glue multiple studs and also need to ensure those are reinforced well. Those details you will see in my video. The screws that I used are between 2-inch to 4-inch deck screws, and also you will see the pocket holes all over the places here. Finally, you will notice the wheels, which are basically 5-inch diameter with brakes. That is very useful to keep this bench mobile. Enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please post it in my comment section.